What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2020 Cadillac XT5. So the first step is going to be to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. On the right side of the remote there's a button you have to push, and then you can pull the emergency key right out. Now we're going to turn the remote over and we're going to remove this back panel right here. To do that, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to put it right here in this crack right here, and I'm just going to kind of pry it up, and you'll see how it comes right off like this. Now the remote battery is actually in the back half of the remote, and the positive side is facing down. So just use a screwdriver to pop it out. The battery size is going to be a CR2032. and get a new battery. If you need a new battery, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box for some new batteries. Now just remember that the positive side is facing down. Just stick it back in here, pop it right in there, you hear it kind of click, and then we'll get the other half of the remote, and all we have to do is sandwich them back together, and you hear it click. Put the emergency key back in, it just slides right in, and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and it was. I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.